Hello, my name is Voya and welcome to My Deep Guide. This is going to be a series of how-to tutorials, how to best maximize your Remarkable 1 or 2 paper tablet. One of the things that I do think that Remarkable environment misses is the split screen environment or the ability to associate a notebook to a document. I think that would be a very, very cool thing to basically be able to read a document and do something and flip over to a notebook, then write my notes that are associated with that document, flip over back to the document, etc., etc. However, I found a very easy and practical way that actually enables me to get close to that functionality. So of course I don't get that functionality, but I get very, very close to it. And what I actually do is I create a dedicated folder for the document that I am taking notes for, where I'm going to store both the document that I'm working on and the notebook where I'm going to be taking notes associated with this document. Reason behind it is very simple. There's one thing I'm taking into consideration, one thing that Remarkable environment has, and that is when you return to a document or a notebook, it returns to the place where you left off. So let's say that I'm reading my document here, and then on page 5 I can say that overall 43,200 mixed time series were analyzed. And maybe I want to write that down and kind of note it where it was in the document itself. When you have the documents and the notebooks organized in the same folder, what you get is that by just swiping down, you're going back, not home. You're going back into the folder where you are, and you can simply tap on the notebook, and I can say, for example, page 5, 43,200 samples analyzed. And once I'm done with that, I can swipe down and return back to my document and continue reading. So this basically is, of course, just a cheat, but I'm utilizing the back functionality and the functionality that you return to the document where you left off. And that way you are quite free to basically jump between the document and the notebook itself by using simply the swipe down gesture. It's only 2 gestures away from switching between document and a notebook. And for me, that works until, of course, a better functionality is implemented. But for now, I think it works nice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!